Do interest rates have you scared to buy a home? Well, listen up. You have nothing to worry about. It's actually a great time to buy a home, and I am sure you're tired of hearing realtors talk about that. But if you could understand why it's a good time to buy a home and why interest rates shouldn't scare you, hopefully you will feel comfortable. So number one, interest rates increasing have caused prices to go down, which is great. It gives you a little bit more flexibility in pricing, and it gives you, which is another good reason why it's time to buy a home, are more choices. There are fewer homes for sale and a lot of buyers, which sounds terrible, but it gives you the opportunity to look at more homes because since we're not fighting for homes, there aren't like 32 offers on one house. So you're not having to do crazy things, which is another good reason why it's a good time to buy a house. Like you don't have to say no inspections or buy the home as is, or even worse, pay over list price and have negative equity in your home. So it's a lot more comfortable to buy a home, less risky for a buyer with your money and the type of home you're going to buy and the condition of the home, because most likely you can negotiate repairs, your closing date, perhaps even get some closing costs, and it's a good situation for both buyers and sellers. If you're wondering whether or not it's a good time for you to buy a home, please reach out to a local realtor. If you're in North Florida, I know some, and if you're anywhere in the country, we would love to help you find a professional in your area. Drop us a message, comment on the video. We would love to hear from you.